Hello everybody. So my little lesson for everybody today is how to smooth out the background on a PVC sign. Sometimes there's little voids or little pits and stuff inside the PVC. What I like to use is Bondo glazing spot putty, same stuff you would use on a car. It works on metal, on plastic, on just about anything. It's a single part, you don't have to mix anything. It's like a toothpaste tube. Squeeze it out, put a little bit on a spreader. Make sure you put your glasses on if you need them. And all over the whole thing. I left it overnight, but usually it dries pretty fast because you're just scraping it over the surface just to fill the voids. And then the next day or the same day, depending on what time you do it, just take a piece of 220 sandpaper, and all you're gonna do is lightly sand. You haven't put much on. It's very thin. You can sand it by hand. Circular motion is always the best if you have room to make a circular motion. And this is because we're going to be painting this background black, and black shows everything. So that's all there is to that. You just have to sand it down a little bit, and then you'll paint the background. And then, as I've showed you in other videos, we simply sand the top. This one's going to be gold on all the raised surfaces. So after we paint it black, I'll sand the top surfaces, and then my wife will be painting all the raised surfaces gold. But that's how you fix a background, a smooth background, if it's not textured.